So I am reviewing the Pawtners Pet Backpack Carrier with Play Tunnel. So this is a really, really nice pet carrier. The backpack can be a backpack, a pet tunnel. It comes with this insert for the base. It's really nice and solid. You just stick that in there, and it's got Velcro straps. And then it's also got a leash holder if you want that on there. That bottom section makes it nice and sturdy. It's got 3 openings, one here, and the zipper just goes all the way around. Got another zipper over here that goes all the way around. And another one over here. And I believe that, oh no. So back here is where the pop out is. So this is just storage on this side. So that's nice. It's got a nice pocket for storage. Got a nice carry handle up here. And it has mesh here, mesh on top, and mesh on this side. And then on the back, it has the straps for the backpack, but it also has this nice pop out tunnel. So that is really nice. It pops out quite a ways, so your kitty can get out there a ways to get some fresh air if you have to take a break somewhere. Kitty or puppy. Not sure which you would have. I'm gonna see if my kitty will get in here for a minute. Don't go all the way out, Willow. Don't go all the way out, but it's got Willow. No, don't go all the way out there. You'll fall off, silly. Here, see if we can turn this around so she doesn't fall out. So, as you can see, she's got lots of room. Don't ya? You got lots of room, don't you, Willow? What do you think of that? Of course you want out, don't ya? Okay, so that's the pet carrier. It's a really great size. Really nice. Really worth it.
Here's this cool little cat carrier, also for dogs. It's a lot of little zip pockets. You can see them right there. Hi. He's comfortable, it's really sturdy. I love that it's a backpack. It's very cool. Let me open here. You can see this little tunnel. There it is. How cool is that? Hi, Charming. I love it. There he goes. He's a big cat, bigger than normal cats, and yet he fits fine. He has more leg room than his usual plastic box. It's pretty cool. Alright, buddy. We'll let you out now. Uh-oh. 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 Nail stuck. Uh-oh. That might be an issue. Uh-oh.
AI. That, along with your generous donations, is why we are where we are today. When cancer took my husband Jay's life back in 1998, AI was just something that used to scare us in Terminator movies. We are living in an unprecedented time of hope and possibility, and it's up to each one of us to make that promise a reality. So please scan that QR code, call the number on your screen, and if the phone lines are busy, try our website at standuptocancer.org.